To using an old horseshoe in home decor and the fun beginner project can be creative and the unique way to repurpose these items. Here are some ideas to get you started. Like horseshoe wall decor, clean up the horseshoe, remove the dirt and rust, and paint it into a desired color. You can hang it on the wall as a rustic and the lucky charm. Attach the horseshoe to the piece of wood and directly to the wall, making sure it securely fixed. Use the caps in the horseshoes to hang your keys. If you have multiple horseshoes, you can weld them together to create a unique and beautiful wine rack. Add a wooden shelf on the top to hold the wine bottle as well. Held up bind together a few horseshoes to create a candle holder. Place candle in the gaps between the shoe and light them up for a cozy atmosphere. Attach a small picture frame to the horseshoe using a wire and glue. Display your favorite photo artwork within the frame. Weld ties several horseshoes together to form a circular shape. Place a spotted plant on the center for a rustic plant holder. Attach two horseshoes to a wooden base to create a unique bookend for your bookshelf. Use a horseshoe to create a sculpture for your garden. Weld them together into a various shape like flower, animal, and abstract design. Attach felted cloth bottom for the horseshoe to create a unique coaster for your coffee table. For some fun, create an atmosphere toss game by sticking a pole into the ground and trying to toss the horseshoe into it. Remember to clean and inspect the horseshoe thoroughly before using them in any project. If you don't have any necessary tools or skill or welding, you can use wire, glue, and other alternative element to bind the horseshoe together. This project can be an enjoyable way to engage in do it by yourself home decor while repurposing old material in a creative manner. Have a fun and let your imagination guide you.
Sell like a hot cake. So let's get started. Unique horse themed welding home decor art ideas that will sell like a hot cake. When it comes to home decor, there is a rising trend of incorporating handmade unique pieces that reflect the individuality and passion of homeowners. Welding home decor art has gained significant popularity, allowing artisans to showcase their skill and create stunning pieces that add a character to any space. In this video, we will explore the realm of horse-themed welding home decor art and present with ideas that are guaranteed to capture the attention of enthusiasts and art lovers alike. Get ready to saddle up the embark on the creative journey. Capture the beauty and grace of horses with intricate craft material wall sculptures. These pieces can range from life-size stallion or the elegant horse head, welded and shaped from various metal like stem. How to upcycle your metal horseshoe, craft and art ideas, and the home decor tips and tricks to upcycle your waste in a better way, and you can decrease your carbon footprints. Metal horseshoes have been a staple and the recreation word of the countries. Not only they provide us several benefits and sport to the protection for a horse oaths, but they also have a rich cultural history and the static appeal that make them ideal for crafting home decor projects. In this video, we will explore some creative ideas for upcycling metal horseshoes into a unique work of art and the functional home decor. If you are a book lover, consider using a pair of metal horseshoes as a bookend. Simply sand them down and give them a coat of paint or a rust inhibitor to protect them from further rusting. Then glue them to a wood base to keep them upright and sturdy. This will not only add a rustic charm to your bookshelf but will also keep your book organized. Another simple yet effective use of metal horseshoes is to turn them into a coat hanger, attach them to the piece of wood or metal rods and hang them to your wall. You can even paint them in a fun color to match your home decor. Metal horseshoes can make for a great wall art, especially when combined with other equestrian elements like horseshoes, nails, and the bites. Arrange them in a pattern to shape that appeal to you and hang them up using picture hanger and adhesive stripes. Transform metal horseshoes into a candle holder by placing a candle in the center and securing it with a bit of wax and the adhesive. You can also paint them to match your decor and add a embellishment like ribbon or the laces. Metal horseshoes can be used to add a unique touch to your garden decor. Try using them in a planter or as a part of trellis or garden fence. You can even paint them in a bright color to create a fun and the whimsical look. For functional and the stylish addition to your home using metal horseshoes to create a wine rack, simply bend the horseshoes into a shape of wine bottle and attach them to the wooden board or a metal rod. This is a great way to showcase your wine collection and add a touch of rustic charm to your home decor. Keep your jewelry organized and within the reach by using metal horseshoes as a jewelry organization. Simply attach them to pieces of wood and metal and hang your necklace and the bracelets from them. You can also paint them in a fun color and add a decorative element like beads and the sequences. When it comes to upcycling horse metal shoes, the possibilities are endless with the creativity and the basic do it by yourself skills and the knowledge. You can transform these functional items into a beautiful work of art and the functional home decor that will reflect your unique and the personality whether you choose to use them as a bookend, wall art or even a wine rack. Metal horseshoes are a versatile and a charming addition to any home decor. Keep your key organized and easy to find them by using metal horseshoes as a key holder. Simply attach them to a piece of wood or metal and hang your key from them. You can even paint or decorate them to match your decor or add a touch of personality. Create a relaxing and shouting and soothing atmosphere in your home